Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to put this video up. This is the 1,000 subscriber giveaways. If you entered the comments of the last video, I had you either say beard or watch. And again, I do this as appreciation for you guys who support my channel, watch the videos, and can't say thanks enough. So, without further ado, let's take a look and see who the winners are. All right, so first we've got the winners for the Honest Amish Beard Bundle, which is premium beard oil, 1 tin of regular beard balm, and 1 tin of the heavy duty beard balm. The beard balm, the regular, is really more like a butter, and the heavy duty really is more like a typical balm. So without further ado, let's get to it and see who the winner is. Here we go. All right, so congratulations, Jason Folks. You won the beard products. You can shoot me an email at sophisticatedneanderthal, all one word, at gmail.com with your address, and I'll get these shipped out to you. So congratulations and thanks for the support. Much appreciated. All right, so next up we have the what I call about the perfect everyday watch, which is the Orient Ray Raven 2. And so let's see, here we go. Go to the random picker here. And KC House, KC, congratulations on that. Again, just shoot me an email, sophisticatedneanderthal at gmail.com with your address, and I'll get those shipped out to you. All right, everybody. So again, I want to say thank you. I appreciate the support that you all show me in my channel. Just to let you know, I've got 2 videos coming out soon. One beard video, which is going to be just kind of the difference between whipped beard butter, soft beard balm, and firm beard balm, and kind of how I use them differently. A lot of variation in those products, so I'm kind of looking forward to doing that video. And then I do have a review of the Breitling Superocean 2019 version, which is an update to a video I did last year for the Breitling Superocean 2. Breitling made some really good changes, I think, when they went away from the Superocean 2 and went back to the Superocean. And in the video, you'll see much cleaner dial, brushed bracelet, which I know was a deal breaker for a lot of people on the Superocean 2 42 millimeter that had the entirely, the bracelet on that thing was just entirely polished, really flashy. So for wrist check today, I'm wearing the Rolex Submariner from 1986, two-tone with the nipple dial. Just probably my overall favorite watch in the world. Anyway, thanks guys. Look out for those videos, and I want to say thank you again for all the support. Take care, guys.